Do you ever look at your balcony and feel like it's just wasted space? Empty, boring, and lifeless. When deep down you wish it could be stylish, cozy, and full of green charm. Most people give up because they think balcony gardens are too expensive. But that's the biggest myth. And today I'll prove it wrong. Hello friends. Welcome to Garden Glow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a balcony garden that's both stylish and affordable. We're diving into budget balcony garden design ideas for 2025. The perfect balance between beauty and savings. Imagine this. Hanging planters that don't just save space, but also add instant style. DIY container hacks using everyday items, turning trash into treasure. Affordable string lights creating a magical evening glow. A small corner seating area surrounded by greenery. All under budget. The best part. These designs look modern and fresh, but they don't demand a heavy investment. 2025 is all about simplicity, creativity, and budget-friendly beauty, making gardens accessible for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll see that you don't need thousands of dollars or a huge balcony to make something beautiful. You just need smart design choices and a touch of creativity. So stay tuned, because letting your balcony stay empty and dull is a choice. Let's turn it into a stylish, affordable green retreat that you'll enjoy every single day. And remember, the best gardens aren't the most expensive ones. They're the ones made with creativity and love.